YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another basic customs video. In this video we are going to be upgrading the old grille on my 2013 Polo Vivo to the facelift grille from the 2014 to 2017 Polo Vivo. So this grille was sent over to us from the awesome team at Spares Direct. More on them later in the video.
Damn! Leave a like and subscribe.
So this is the grille that Spares Direct sent over to me, and this is from the Facelift Polo Vivo, the Facelift Mark 1 Polo Vivo. Now in a few seconds here I'm going to show you the difference between the old one and the new one, but first we have to go take off the old one. And to do that you are going to need, if I can just put this one side, a toolkit like this. Now this is everything you need if you're starting out, or if you just need like a basic set to work on your German car. I got this off of Temu, and I've got a affiliate link in the description, so if you want to copy yourself this kit, definitely do so. Anyways, let's get on with the video. For this video we are only going to need this, we are only going to need this, and we are only going to need a T25 Torx bit. That's it.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
Okay, so it's really simple to take off this front grille. It's a lot like the 9N, where you have screws on top and clips at the bottom. I'm talking about these 4 screws. Let me just take you guys in a bit closer. So these are the 4 screws that I'm talking about. They are T25 bit Torx screws, and that's all you need. The rest is clips. So like I mentioned previously, you are going to need a 1/4 inch ratchet, an extension, and a T25 Torx bit so you can remove the screws and gain access to the tabs at the bottom. Okay, so now that the screws are loose, it's a really simple matter of just loosening the tabs all along the bottom of the grille, and you just have to loosen one of them, and then this grille is just gonna pop out. I just want to show you guys the tabs in question if I can. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. I'll try and point to it. So that tab there, that black tab there, do you see that black tab there? Basically you're gonna put your hand in there. Yeah, you can get a finger to it. Okay, so my finger's on the tab, and I'm just gonna press like that, and it's as simple as that. Now I can just grab onto the grille and pull it towards me, and the grille is off. Now before I put on the new grille, I just want to clean this. This is so disgusting, and you never get a chance actually to like get to these places when you actually clean the car, so I'm going to use this opportunity to do so. I have a bit of Detail Eases foam in my pressure spray bottle, and hopefully today it works. I'm also going to be using a detailing brush just to agitate here, and then I'll wipe it off with a microfiber towel. So before we install the new grille, I just want to talk about the awesome team over at Spares Direct. This video is sponsored by Spares Direct, your go-to for affordable, quality car parts with fast delivery. They sent me this facelift grille for my Polo Vivo to check out, but my opinion on it is completely my own. Whether you're upgrading or just replacing old parts, they've got what you need. I've linked the exact grille I used in the description, so check it out and make your next DIY job that much easier with Spares Direct. Also for the Polo 6 guys, I found this awesome R-style front bumper on Spares Direct. It comes with grill inserts and fog lights included, and as far as I know, they're the only local site that actually lists it. At 5,500 Rand, I honestly think it's a sick upgrade if you're going for that OEM Plus or sportier look. I've dropped the link in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, so we have the old grill at the bottom and the new grill at the top. And you can see they look more or less the same, but there are subtle differences. One being there's no chrome strip at the bottom of this one. And the second thing being, if you look up here, this is more of their corporate grill from that time. And then this has a more slicker look with these right angles here. The top one is more reminiscent of a Mark V Polo, as it's internationally known. And here in South Africa we call it a Polo 6, but yeah, that's basically the styling that the facelifted Polo Vivo went with. You'll see it's the same for the lights, if we ever get the lights. Anyways, now that we've done removing the old grill, we need to transfer the badge from this one to that one, and then we can fit that one. Alrighty, after a lot of struggling, I finally got the badge out. Now I had to use my pliers and I had to use this towel and basically just make like a soft grip pliers with them so that I could get the badge in there and I could grip the badge like this so I could turn, and then the badge came out. Now I just need to fit this badge into that, and then Bob's your uncle. Okay, so since I didn't film the process of taking it off, I'm going to film the process of putting it back on, and then you can just do the opposite to take it off. So here we have the backside of the new grill, and we have the backside of the badge. And as you can see, on the backside of the grill, there's these notches here. Well, let me just center this. There we go. These notches over here. There's another notch down here, and there's another notch down here. Now the badge has 3 tabs as well. 1, 2, 3. This is the top one, bottom right, bottom left. Do you see that? Now we're just going to line it up like so. See, all of them are in the tabs. We'll line it up like so. All of them in the tabs. We're gonna press to get it on. Okay, is it on? Wait, let me just try this again. Okay, now it's on. Badge is in, it's on. We're gonna turn it now to face the right way up. And it's that simple. Badge is on, the new grill, and this looks amazing. Okay, so to replace your grill is really easy. You just do the opposite of how you took it off, starting with the clips at the bottom and then the 4 screws on top. While I'm installing the new grill from Spares Direct, I want to know what's your next upgrade for your Polo. Drop it in the comments and let's get some ideas going. And if you're into clean budget upgrades like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Basic Customs. We got plenty more coming for Polo owners and DIY enthusiasts who want to learn and work on their own cars. So stick around for more tips, tricks and upgrades. While I'm getting this grill screwed in, I've got to give credit where it's due. First, communication and shipping from Spares Direct. I'd rate it 5 out of 5. I got updates through both email and WhatsApp, so I always knew exactly where my order was, and it even arrived earlier than expected. As for the quality of the grill, it's a 5 out of 5 for me. The look and build on point, and it just feels like OEM spec. And when it comes to fitment, it gets a solid 5 out of 5 too. All the tabs lined up perfectly, the screw holes matched up, and the OEM badge fits like a glove. I couldn't ask for a better fit. And with that said, we are done installing this grill. Because of the quality of the part, this was honestly one of the easiest upgrades I've ever done. Everything lined up perfectly, and it really shows how great the fitment and quality of the part is. Now before we wrap up, let's take a look at how it looked before. And that's the final look of the front end. It's clean, sharp, and definitely adds some character to the car. Big shout out to Spares Direct for hooking us up with this facelift grill. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.